Horses out of his spiker past the begin and on the outside. Showmaster instant moving up. Pedro Benduco Preciosa comes next. Lucky Lord King and on the outside. Happy Bomber Bonjour Sambat Euromax second last. And the strong boy is the early trailer. We have Pedro Benduco by about 2.5 lengths. Showmaster in second and on the outside. Third instant. Preciosa is racing in fourth. Moving up by the now is Spiker, Lucky Lorky, Happy Boomer. Bonjour comes next is Strong Boy, Sambat second last. And Euromax now racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Pedro Benduco still in front by about 3 lengths. Showmaster in second, Instant is still in third. Is Spiker down on the inside for Preciosa. Moving up, Bonjour. Then next on line, Lucky Lorky, Strong Boy, Sambat. Down on the inside is Euromax and Happy Boomer. Pedro Benduco and on the outside is Showmaster Instant. Now coming closer in turn and on the outside Preciosa in fourth. Down on the inside is Spiker. In between horses is Lucky Lorky. We have Showmaster Instant now on the outside. Lucky Lorky in between horses as they come down at the last 100. We have Showmaster Instant is on the outside. Lucky Lorky is running by the Preciosa. We got Instant on the outside. Lucky Lorky, Preciosa, Showmaster, Lucky Lorky, Preciosa is on the outside, and finally it's close finish. Lucky Lorky, Showmaster, then comes number 12, Preciosa.
6, 5, 12, 8. Hindi ko na nakakuha yung quinto. Pasandal si ano.
Oo.